The Toyota Proace II often features an automatic start-stop system designed to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. This video explains how to enable or disable this function. The start-stop system automatically shuts off the engine when the vehicle is stationary, such as at a traffic light, and restarts it when you're ready to move. It's important to know how to control this feature based on your driving preferences and conditions. The default state of the engine stop-start is usually enabled. The start-stop system in the Toyota Proace II offers several key benefits that can enhance your driving experience and environmental impact. First, the system reduces fuel consumption by automatically shutting off the engine when the vehicle is stationary, saving fuel that would otherwise be wasted on idling. It also lowers emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment by reducing harmful pollutants released during idling periods. Additionally, it decreases engine idling noise, creating a quieter cabin environment, especially beneficial in urban areas or residential zones. However, the start-stop system has some drawbacks that drivers should consider. It can feel disruptive during frequent stop-and-go traffic, where the engine restarts repeatedly. It may also create a slight delay when quick acceleration is needed, as the engine takes a moment to restart. While modern systems are designed to handle frequent starts, there is some increased wear on the starter motor compared to traditional driving. Understanding these benefits and drawbacks is crucial when deciding whether to enable or disable the start-stop function in your Toyota Proace II. The start-stop system is controlled by a button typically located on the dashboard or center console of the Proace II. Look for a button with an A symbol circled with an arrow, often accompanied by the word "off" or similar indication. The exact location can vary slightly depending on the model year and trim level, so consult your owner's manual if you're unsure. Locate this button before attempting to enable or disable the feature. To disable the start-stop function on the Toyota Proace II, follow these steps. First, locate and press the start-stop button on the dashboard. When pressed, the indicator light on the button or in the instrument cluster will illuminate, typically in amber or orange. This indicates the system is deactivated and the engine will no longer automatically shut off when the vehicle is stopped. Always ensure the vehicle is in a safe and appropriate location before experimenting with these settings. To re-enable the start-stop function, press the start-stop button again. The indicator light on the button or in the instrument cluster will turn off, indicating that the system is active. The engine will now automatically shut off when the vehicle is stopped and conditions are met, such as engine at operating temperature and sufficient battery charge. Ensure the vehicle is in a safe and appropriate location before experimenting with these settings. The start-stop system may not activate under certain conditions, even when enabled. First, low battery charge. The system won't activate if the battery level is too low. Second, the engine must be at operating temperature. If it's too cold, the system won't activate. Third, extreme ambient temperatures can prevent activation. Fourth, steep inclines may deactivate the system for safety. Fifth, when the climate control requires high power, like maximum cooling, the system won't activate. Finally, the system likely won't activate if the steering wheel is being heavily manipulated. Understanding these limitations can prevent confusion or concern if the system doesn't function as expected. The instrument cluster displays the status of the start-stop system through symbols and messages. Look for symbols or messages that indicate whether the system is active, inactive, or unavailable due to specific conditions. Some models provide detailed information about why the system is not functioning, such as warnings about unavailability. Monitoring the instrument cluster provides valuable insights into the system's operation. If the start-stop system is not functioning as expected, follow these troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve common issues. First, check that the start-stop system is enabled. Press the button on the dashboard to confirm it's activated. Second, verify that no inhibiting conditions are present. Common conditions include low battery voltage, extreme temperatures, engine not warmed up, or air conditioning in use. Third, low battery health is a common cause of start-stop malfunction. Consider having your battery tested using a digital battery tester to check voltage and cold cranking amps. Finally, If the problem persists after checking these items, consult your owner's manual for additional guidance or visit a qualified Toyota technician for further diagnosis and repair. Following these troubleshooting steps should resolve most start-stop system issues. Remember to perform regular vehicle maintenance to ensure optimal system performance.